Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can alphabetize apps on Android. While you can automatically sort all the apps on your home screen alphabetically, you can do this to your app list on the app screen. Open your apps list. Depending on your device, you'll have an apps icon, a circle with dots on the home screen. If not, swipe up on the home screen to see all your installed apps. Tap the three dot menu in the top right corner. Select Sort, Display Layout, or View As, depending on your device. Tap Alphabetical Order or Alphabetical List. Now all your apps are now ordered by name. Note that some devices sort the apps alphabetically, automatically, and don't even provide a second option. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.